Hello and welcome. I'm Saeed from storyplanet.net. Dive right into the essence of the most captivating books without reading them cover to cover. Whether you're on the go, at the gym, or just relaxing at home, we offer you a unique and enriching listening experience. Today, we are exploring the book, The Emerald Planet, a creation by David Beerling. The book, The Emerald Planet, 2007, explores how plants have significantly influenced Earth's environment and evolution. Recent studies utilize both living and fossilized plants to analyze the Earth's history and speculate on its future. This book also inspired the BBC series How to Grow a Planet. Before we delve into these revelations, it's interesting to note that David Beerling is the Sorby Professor of Natural Sciences and Director of the Leverhulme Centre for Climate Change Mitigation at the University of Sheffield. He focuses on plant biology and global change. Beerling is also the editor-in-chief of the Royal Society journal Biology Letters. He has authored 2 monographs and numerous scientific papers. His latest book, Making Eden: How Plants Transformed a Barren Planet, was released in 2019. With 7 key ideas to unveil, brace yourself for a deep dive into this captivating book on storyplanet.net. To start, discover the impact of plants on environmental transformations. Tom Weller initially downplayed the evolution of plants in history, but recent findings reveal its fascinating interconnected history with animal life and climate. Understanding past events like mass extinctions and global warming equips us to address current environmental challenges. Topics include the growth of leaves, the evolution of giant insects, and potential reasons for the ozone layer depletion. Key idea number 1. Plants evolved leaves due to reduced carbon dioxide levels, leading to the evolution of animals and insects. Plants evolved leaves to adapt to decreasing carbon dioxide levels, kickstarting animal and insect evolution. Changing CO2 levels made plants adjust stomata on their leaves. This led to larger leaves, promoting plant abundance and animal evolution. Plants may have contributed to a decrease in atmospheric CO2, fueling plant growth, and a rise in diverse species. Key idea number 2. A sudden increase in oxygen levels greatly impacted all life forms. Around 300 million years ago, during the Carboniferous period, a spike in oxygen levels led to the supergrowth of all living organisms, resulting in giant plants, insects, and animals. The increased oxygen concentration was linked to higher atmospheric pressure, making wings work more efficiently and organisms to expend less energy. This spike in oxygen levels is believed to have been the result of plant evolution and photosynthesis over millions of years. Key idea number 3. Ozone layer destruction led to mass extinction and genetic mutations. During the Permian period, oxygen levels dropped to 15%, leading to a mass extinction that wiped out 95% of species on Earth. Dutch paleontologists linked the extinction to changes in the ozone layer caused by volcanic eruptions. The destruction of the ozone layer resulted in mutations, including a unique sterilization mutation in leucopsids, allowing them to thrive through asexual reproduction as other species died out. The extinction and mutations were likely triggered by the ozone layer's depletion due to organohalogens produced by volcanic eruptions. Key idea number 4. Rising CO2 levels led to higher temperatures, resulting in mass extinctions of ancient life and the flourishing of dinosaurs. Around 200 million years ago, a major mass extinction event took place between the Triassic and Jurassic periods, wiping out a significant portion of both marine and land animal families. Research indicates that a spike in carbon dioxide levels due to global warming played a key role in causing this mass extinction. Evidence from plant fossils, specifically a decrease in stomata, supports this theory. Volcanic eruptions releasing greenhouse gases, including methane hydrates turning into CO2, are identified as contributors to the carbon dioxide increase. The extinction event led to the demise of large-leaved trees, allowing plants with smaller leaves to thrive and set the stage for the rise of dinosaurs as dominant species. Key idea number 5. Deciduous trees are the dominant species in northern polar forests due to their fast growth and short lifespan. Fossil records show that both the North and South Poles were once lush with plant life. The majority of trees near the North Pole evolved to shed their leaves, while those near the South Pole remained evergreen. The theory that deciduous trees thrived due to dormancy has been challenged due to the energy costs of shedding leaves. Deciduous trees in the north grew fast and died young, outpacing evergreens due to efficient use of warmer Arctic summers. Forest fires also played a role, aiding in the repopulation of deciduous trees. Climate change, particularly warming winters in Alaska, may accelerate growth of polar trees. Key idea number 6. 50 million years ago, greenhouse gases caused significant warming of the Earth's climate, leading to a vastly different environment compared to the present day. Fossil records from 50 million years ago show a much warmer Earth due to greenhouse gases. Greenhouse effect primarily caused by methane, ozone, nitrous oxide and water vapor, not just carbon dioxide. Rising CO2 levels led to a warmer climate, higher methane, and eventually global warming. Increased plant growth from mild temperatures enhanced greenhouse gas emissions. Feedback loop of greenhouse gases magnified warming. Cooling occurred as CO2 levels dropped, plants reduced, and glaciers formed. The Arctic and Antarctic froze while the tropics stayed warm. Key idea number 7. Some plants thrive in low CO2 levels due to a unique photosynthesis method. C4 plants have a more efficient photosynthesis method due to the acids they produce with 4 carbon atoms. They evolved around 30 million years ago in response to low CO2 levels, which disadvantaged C3 plants. C4 plants thrived in subtropical regions, but may have evolved due to factors like forest fires. Their efficiency makes them essential for the economy, and there are efforts to enhance C3 crops with C4 characteristics to ensure food security for the growing population by 2050. In conclusion, plant fossils can reveal how even slight changes in the environment can have a significant global impact, influencing all life forms on Earth. These changes, such as fluctuations in CO2 levels, have led to the creation of diverse floras and faunas as well as mass extinctions due to climate shifts. Despite many mysteries, new evidence is shedding light on Earth's past, providing insights into current environmental effects. Further exploration on plant evolution can be found in Stefano Mancuso's The Incredible Journey of Plants. Thank you for listening to this summary. If you enjoyed this exploration, we invite you to discover other fascinating books on storyplanet.net. Don't wait any longer. A multitude of books, stories, and knowledge await you there. See you soon on storyplanet.net.